Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the fruit is stable and intact. This matters because internal charge disperses through damage. Put on insulated gloves and place the fruit on a non-conductive pad. Safety first. Press the center cap for 2 seconds to activate the field, and you will feel a subtle vibration. This indicates readiness. Once done, make sure to note the initial voltage readout on the display. It guides modulation. Now proceed to the controlled release step. You now focus on modulation because precise control prevents overload. Turn the output dial to the lowest 10% increment. A low start reveals behavior without risk. Attach the grounding rod and align it at a 30 degrees angle away from you. This shapes the arc and channels energy safely. Watch the display constantly. If current approaches 5 amps or temperature nears 40 degrees Celsius, reduce output immediately. Once stable, gradually increase in 10% steps while observing effects. You finish by powering down methodically so residual charge dissipates safely. Hold the center cap for 5 seconds and wait at least 60 seconds before relocating the fruit. This prevents unexpected aftershocks. If a misfire happens, cut output immediately, engage the shock dampener, and inspect the shell for any 1/4 centimeter punctures. Damage alters behavior. Make sure to store the fruit in a dry, Faraday-lined container at 20 to 22 degrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.